What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Upnext. I'm back with another video. Hey man, say man, look.
Go ahead.
You better not trip over my light.
To.
Alright, anyways, y'all, we are going to show you guys either 4 or 5 hairstyles, however many we come with. This is like off the top of the dome. You know what I'm saying? This is very off the top of the dome. So I just cut my own hair, bro. I ain't feel like going to no barber. I ain't feel like doing pretty much too much. But look, before the video even gets started, man, who ready for the satin line beanie? If you're ready for the satin line beanie, make sure you comment down below satin line beanie to spread the word around for the drop in December. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be lit. And we ready to get into this video? Come on. Okay. Why you just standing there like you just about to make a grand entrance? Alright. So the first style we going with.
Let me get one more.
Alright, so look, the first style I'm gonna go with is this style right here. Like it's natural. Hold on, y'all. I just got done doing laundry. Don't mind the clothes. I no edit mile in the building. You said what? It's all good. We just need one. The first style is that I like to rock is the regular lay down. What you need?
You said it was in the background. Don't get it.
Nah, it's all good. I already, it's cool. But if don't nobody understand the laundry, then some need it. Anyways, my first style is just the regular lay down style. You know what I'm saying? It just sometimes I like doing it when I'm feeling like when I'm feeling more protective. When I'm in a dangerous environment, I like to wear my hair down. It might be weird to y'all, but it's just, I don't know. It just made me feel like I don't know. But anyways, the second hairstyle that we got rocking off is this. You gonna play with my hair or you
Boy, don't
like,
even.
come
please,
on, bruh.
Please don't start.
She been trying to take away from the video the whole time. Back. So what you going with one side up basically?
I'm doing the whole thing right now.
Oh, okay. It looked like you was going for a Polo G. One side up.
I'm giving away hairstyles early. I need you to cut that out.
Nah, I'm not cutting anything out. No edit mile in the building.
Okay, fair.
Still, we letting it be.
Yeah, he got a lot of hair.
It be tight and full. You can't.
And he always. This is what you always complain about. It's too tight. It's too tight.
Hey, bro. So you couldn't do this? You couldn't do this?
What you mean?
You had to do them one at a time?
Yes, because I said you have a lot of hair. Your hair is thick.
Hey, all I know is I took time on my haircut and my hairline, and you better not scrub it off.
No. If you don't put that shit right.
Like,
there we go.
Damn, he trying to scrub it off my forehead.
Anyways.
Alright, anyways, you know, we got the second hairstyle actually. It's a ponytail to the front. I rock this sometimes. I really don't rock it a lot. I like it because the dreads are kind of in your face, but at the same time, you have no dreads in the back.
But I mean, I feel like I like it because it more outlines your face. I like the high ponytail style.
I like the high ponytail, but I like a little hair to the back, a little hair to the front.
That's understandable.
Feel me? And then we rock it like this.
Get a 360.
What's the? This ain't no spinning, child. This is the kitchen chair.
There. Okay.
You need to get in the camera, bro. Like you on the side.
I'm sorry, you
just
didn't have me in the camera.
Nah, you need to get in the camera. It ain't no. All right, next style. What's the next style, bro?
So the next style we're gonna rock everybody knows this style. The good
so
half up, half down.
Half in the front, the half in the front up, and the half in the bite down.
Excuse me.
You wipe it off. Wipe it off. We're gonna have a problem after this video. We're gonna have a problem after this video.
Yeah, you gonna let it go. You want the video done? Oh wait. Oh, okay. Stop being extra. And we're gonna leave a few dreads down in the front.
You pulling them. You ain't leaving them. That shit hurt.
Stop.
Damn.
Let's pull some up. Let's just go with 2. Ooh. This one. Yep. And then you can also do this with like a ponytail. It's just, you know, it's kind of gonna not show your face. It's just, it crops the forehead a little bit.
Alright, we're gonna get a thumbnail. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta do a period. You gotta do it.
What?
You gotta do period with your tongue out. Alright, whoa, thumbnail. Alright, hold up. Okay. Oh, alright. Anyway, so this is the 3rd hairstyle. I mess with it. I could, cause I don't like all the hair in my face like that.
Well, you can just do half a pat down if you don't like the hair in your face. But it just kind of crops out your
I like
face.
hair in my face sometimes, but not like all the time. Alright, so this is the 3rd hairstyle. It's alright.
I like it, especially like in person. His dreads are really curly because we just took out the 2-strand twist, so like it looks really good.
Alright, that's the 3rd one. What's the 4th one?
And it shows the length.
Oh, period.
Yeah, don't play. And when you pull him, his hair is so long. Now I've got some.
Alright, what's the 3rd one?
This is the
I'm
3rd
at the
one,
4th
right?
one. You know it on that. We're doing 5.
Okay. 4 style. Let me.
Half up, half down on the side. Like what you doing right now?
Yeah.
That could be the 4th.
I did this before with a frontal.
A frontal?
Pretty. Yeah.
Frontal wig.
Yeah, frontal.
Look, bruh. Don't touch my hairline, bruh.
No, if you say that one more time.
You can't quit. You can't quit on me. So, you in the video.
I'm in the video. You just about to get beat up.
Good, bruh. You don't understand, bruh. Damn.
Excuse me. Can you turn this?
Excuse me. Can you quit pulling the hell out of my hair?
Stop. I don't like this.
I feel like it's giving me Juice WRLD. I feel like it's giving me Polo G. I feel like it's giving me.
I feel like if you're gonna do it, there needs to be 2 ponytails.
Then make
and
other,
it could still
make another ponytail. How? Alright, now do the style that we're doing today.
Alright, so this is the one that he requested. Stop.
You stop. You don't do this, I'll kill me. In the video.
Niggas want to act so different on camera. Okay. So, we're going to leave some down in the front. I'm kind of trying to make it where it's going to be even. Okay.
Y'all see the clothes? Y'all ever seen clothes?
Stop! Babe.
They already seen the clothes, bruh. It's okay that, bruh, somebody comment down below. Tell her it's okay to do laundry and put your clothes on the bed right quick before you fold them. We all human. Somebody tell her. God damn. Niggas supposed to have their bed made up. I'm talking about for a vacuum before they make it. Man, F that, man. I'm turning on this camera and I'm whipping out this video.
Can you stop moving?
Can you? I'm trying to see what's going on to my head.
Okay, Lamel, do you do this when somebody else in your hair? No,
man.
So stop moving. No.
Hey, bro, I don't like that piece in my wig. I got 2 more pieces up top. That's all.
Your hair almost long enough to do a bun now. And he like it kind of messy. He like his ponytails messy, so.
Yeah. Alright, that's the hairstyle I'm rocking with today, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and peace.